Hello guys, let's discuss another problem here. The runs scored by two teams A and B on the first 60 balls in a cricket match are given below. So in a cricket match, of course, there will be two teams, team A and team B. And number of balls, we are playing 60 balls. In first 1 to 6 balls, runs scored by team A is 2 and team B is 5. In the interval of 7 to 12 balls, runs scored by team A is 1, runs scored by B is 6. So you can say here that in first over runs scored is this, in second over runs scored is this, in third over runs scored is this, because you can see here the interval is 5. But you can see here that this interval is not continuous. So what you will do, you will add 0.5 in the highest value in the interval and you will subtract 0.5 in the lowest value in the interval. So when you will do this for the interval 1 to 6, what this interval will become? This will get modified to 0.5 to 6.5 because you are subtracting 0.5 in 1 and you are adding 0.5 in 6.5. So when you will do the same thing here, this will become 6.5 and 12.5. So that's how when this interval will be getting ended at 6.5, this will be getting started at 6.5. So that's how you can make it continuous. Now what you have to do here, represent the data of both the teams on the same graph first of all by frequency polygon. So here you need to plot a frequency polygon. So let's see how to plot. So here instead of taking that interval, what I have done here, I have taken the mean. I have taken the mean of 0.5 to 6.5. So that mean will be 3.5. And when you will take the interval from 6.5 to 12.5, then that mean will be 9.5. So these are the mean values. Now for the team A and team B, run scores are different. Let's suppose this is team A, this blue line is team A, and team B, this orange line is team B. This is 2 because you know that team A scored for the mean value of 3.5, team scored 2 and team B scored 5. So here you can see that for this value, team scored 2 and team B scored 5. For the value of 9.5, team A scored 1, team B scored 6. For the value of 15.5, team B scored 2 and team A scored 8. So that's how this frequency polygon has been drawn. So you can do this by calculating the mean value and then after that plotting it in a graph. I hope you understood this quite well. I will be taking more problems like this in the next video lecture as well. Thank you.